So today is a Mueller Hut track day, and I did a Hooker Valley track yesterday, and it was amazing. But this is the one that I really wanted to do. It's gonna be I think about 4 hours to the top and then 4 hours back, so 8 hours in total. I wanted to start the track early in the morning, around 8 or 9, but I just couldn't get up. I'm not a morning person, so it's around noon now, and I'm ready to start. So the weather looks really nice, except I can see some clouds over there on the ridge, and I hope it won't stay that way, because if I'm going to climb for 4 hours, I want to actually have some nice views. Yeah, but we will see. So let's start. On this first part, I have to do Kia Point trek, which is about half an hour. And then I have to do Silly Tarns trek, which is another hour and a half. And then from that point I have 2 more hours until I reach the hut. Whew. It's going to be a very hard and long climb. And it's a really hot day, so I'm sweating already. Oh, it's going to be fun. The Kia Point is done. That was a rather easy walk, maybe 20 minutes, maybe less. But now I have to climb all the way to Silly Tarns, and most of this climb is just on these stairs. Someone actually made a marker. I think there's around 2,000 stairs. That's a lot. 2,000 stairs later, and I'm finally here to Silly Tarns. It's just behind me, and it's a really nice spot, but that means I'm only halfway to the Mueller Hut. Mueller Hut is somewhere all the way over there. But here, from this point, you can see the Hooker Valley track that I did yesterday, all the way from there to the Hooker Lake. And over there you can see a car park somewhere in the distance. Yeah, so this was actually the easier part of the track, because yeah, I was just walking on some stairs to this point, but now I have to walk on rocks, and this track was rated as difficult, and it is because of this part. I have to climb all the way over there, so no more stairs, just rocks. So yeah, let's keep going. There's nothing new in this game. You got to I'm almost there. I think I have just a few minutes left, and it's kind of cloudy at the moment. It started to rain as well, but I have this beautiful view behind me, and over there you can even see the glacier just behind me. I'm finally here, 2 hours later. Wow, it's really amazing. I mean, there is snow everywhere. It's so beautiful. And there is the Mueller Hut just behind me. So that was Mueller's Hut. This whole area is just incredible. I mean, there's mountains everywhere, everything is covered in snow. It's actually snowing right now at this moment. And the hut itself was really nice. It was really well maintained, and I can really see why it's so popular. I will definitely come back here some other day when the weather is nicer. But right now I will just go back to the car park because it's freezing and I am in my shorts. I have just one hoodie and a short, so yeah, I'll just go back to the car park and yeah, see you there. So there was an avalanche a few seconds ago. I just heard this really loud noise like a thunder or something, and then I looked to the left and there it was. I never expected to see that. Quite scary. I just had to stop here one more time before going down, because this is really beautiful. I am almost there, just a few more minutes. It took me about an hour to get from Mueller Hut all the way down to this point. Maybe a bit more than an hour. Yeah, this whole day was just amazing, and I will be back here for sure. Maybe in a couple of weeks during the summer when the weather is much nicer. But for now, I will just go back to the hostel and I will try to catch the sunrise tomorrow morning, if I wake up, of course. I want to go to Tasman Lake and catch the sunrise there, and then I have a long drive all the way to Christchurch.